Hello, this is a new video for uploading your artwork. Just click on New Product. And your title goes in here. Set product image. Upload files. We'll just click on here, we have one. Like this, drag it across, and we'll go there. You can put your title in over here, caption, alt text, and description about the artwork. This is for Google Images, this part of it. I have one prepared here. If I go into this part, take in the image, and here is the title of it. Caption, it's a street scene painting, and a small description about it, and who the artist is. So you set product image. Your vendors, that's who you are. So you just come along, here. This part of it here is tags. So it's here, I put Dave McCormick as a tag. Impressionist, Irish art. You just say things about what the painting is about. You can just type it in, or you can choose from here. These are commonly used tags that some of their artists use. This part of it here, you click on paintings, if it's a painting you're uploading. This painting here, there's architecture in it, and it's a street scene. So we click that as primary. I have my title in here, New York City, and I usually start at the bottom of the layer. So here, this part here is the first part that comes up on the page, with your image. So if you're in, we just put in the medium, it's island canvas, the size in centimeters and inches if you can. If it's framed or unframed, if it's unframed, say it's unframed. Frame, you should put in your sizes as well. We usually free worldwide shipping. And you go up here, put your price in here. It's usually 80% of commission because it's my sales. Sale price. You know, if a painting is not selling, you know, it's for a reason. You can always reduce your price, or you can put it up at sale price and it will come up on the website. So you could put in, say, $6.90. And update that and reduce the price. There's a thing too, if your painting is sold, you go in here and press out of stock, and it will come up on our website as well. Attributes. This is another part here, so it's art medium, press, you add that. Paintings, because it's a painting. So this is oil, so you have a selection of them here. So it's an oil painting, this as well. It's architecture. And it's a street scene. You have to save them. And with this other part here, you can add additional photographs. So you could take them in a room and you get, you know, the more photographs and more information you have for a customer, the better. Now, what I usually do is copy this. I'll bring it up here. And I paste it in here. So I copy my title. You start there, I copy that across and put it here. What's another good thing is do the headings. I usually put my title as heading 2. To add an image here, you go into maybe click on the image you want. Pick one. But this is the readability. So the readability of that is good. You can always add a description about your painting in here as well, but not too much, because I don't know, Google sometimes doesn't like background and things like that. So just keep it simple. This is the SEO part of it. So you go in here, edit snippet. Always put your title here. So all you do is from your title here. Okay. You say about what the painting is. You can say about the artist. And never write in too much stuff, because it will come up as orange. So we want this to be in green. The focus keyword is usually title. So it is. So I have New York City. And that's it. Simple as that. Update it. And then it'll come up with new product on yourself. Don't worry about if you're unsure of things. All of the products we preview them before we update them to the website. So that there was the bottom part of our uploading. And this is the top. So I hope that helped you uploading your artwork. Thank you for joining Art4You.